Yo, what's up guys, Cam here, welcome to another video. So it's been quite a while since I've made a video, so I should probably upload more. But anyways, today we have an unboxing from PiCubeShop and it's got a couple of cubes in it, so I think we should just get straight into the unboxing. Alright, so I've already cut it open just to save some time, so let's just get into it. Alright, well, it's not coming out. Alright, there we go. First cube is the MonsterGo Ai, so let's just put that to the side. Next up, which one is this? The 6x6, and then we have a mini 5x5, and finally we have the 7x7. So let's just get straight into opening these. Alright, so I think I'm gonna open the 6x6 and 7x7 up first, so let's just put these two to the side. Alright, so here we have, I think this is the yufu 6x6 and the yushi 7x7. I think that's their names. So let's just open them up. How does this? Oh. I hate this type of box. Right, there we go. And the pamphlet. And let's just open up the other box. And the same things. So let's just get straight into these. So let's just throw these boxes away. And I don't need these either. Alright, let's start off with the 6x6. Oh, I hate when they do this. 6x6. I think this is a 6x6. Yep, this is a 6x6. It feels enormous. Yeah, man. That is just absolutely huge. It feels very big. I don't know how big it actually is. So I might have to check some stats and they'll probably be on the screen. But yeah, this feels pretty huge. Turning is decent, I guess. It doesn't turn too great, but it's not too bad either. And I almost had a look up there. Yeah, I guess it's just the regular 6x6, so nothing too interesting there. Let's get into the 7x7. And this again. There we go. Alright, so here we have the 7x7. This also feels pretty big. Whoa. The magnets are pretty strong on these outer layers. So yeah, alright. Damn, alright, that is huge. Oh, I can't even turn that properly. Yeah, the magnets are really strong on these outer layers, they're just turning the inners. Oh my god, alright. Yeah, that is just absolutely huge. Yeah, again, this is just another regular 7x7. I don't actually know how to solve these two, so that's why I bought them, just to learn how to solve them. So I guess that's the 6x6 and 7x7 done. Let's get on to something more interesting and something that will be probably more easier. 5x5. What is it with these cubes in just such difficult packaging? And it doesn't make it very easy to open. Okay, let's just open this up. So it's pretty much the same box as the 3x3 and 4x4. So the accessories box is probably got the same stuff. I'm guessing, yep, magnets and a screwdriver, and that YJ stand, which I just hate putting together. It just kind of falls apart every time I try and put it together, so I don't really want to deal with that. Never really use these. And just some, if I can just get them out, just some pamphlets, so nothing too special there. So let's just get into the cube. It just feels much better to hold than the 6x6 and 7x7. Alright, let's get into it. I also don't know how to solve a 5x5, but I'm hearing it's not too difficult. Like close to the 4x4. I think I might tighten this a bit just because I had a couple of popping issues on my 4x4, so yeah, I don't really want to take any chances with this, but this feels much better than the 5x5 and 6x6. No, not 5x5. The 6x6 and 7x7 that I just held earlier. So yeah, I think I'll enjoy using this. They don't feel bad. So yeah, alright, let's get on to the final cube and something that I'm actually excited for now. The MonsterGo Ai. Alright, let's get into it. I hate these boxes, guys. Why can't cube companies just make easier boxes? Oh. So, in the box we get a pamphlet, which probably just has some instructions. Yep, it's just got a tutorial, so I don't think I'm going to be needing that. And the cube. So let's just put these plastic bits to the side. This cube feels very nice actually to hold. Oh, that is actually very nice turning. It also feels kind of loose. Yeah. No, I don't actually know how I feel about that. It feels kind of dry. But yeah, I think some lube could sort that out. And I'm also seeing a light flashing. I don't know if you can see that. No? Oh, there. It's just there. Yeah, keep the screen out, but yeah, it feels pretty good. So let's just actually get into the main feature of this cube, the connectivity to my phone. Let's do this. Alright, so as you can see, I've got the cube connected up onto my phone. So let's give this a go. So I've already done a couple of solves on this already, just to try it out. So you can see it's tracking all my moves. That's pretty cool. Alright, so let's just go into timer mode. Let's do this. So you prime start. Alright, let's hope I get a good time. So this is gonna be my first solve of the day as well, so I hope it goes well. Oh, I kind of messed it up. Yep, alright, I messed that up. Yeah, that was very bad. I do not average 17, just to let you know. I average around 13, so that was very bad. Let's do one more solve on this and we can try out the multiplayer functions, which are pretty cool. Okay. I don't even know what I'm doing. Yeah, alright, this is gonna be even worse than the last one. Yeah, I messed up that. Yeah, how do I just... Let's just forget that that solve even existed. Right, let's go on to my final thoughts on each of these cubes. So let's start off with the 7x7. So I think that this cube, it's okay. I don't think I'll start practicing all the time with this because it's quite big and it's got a little bit of weight to it. So yeah, it's okay. Let's move on to 6x6, which I guess is the same as the 7x7. I probably won't be practicing on this all the time. Yeah, well, almost got a lock up there. Yeah, they're both kind of heavy, so yeah, those are my thoughts on those two cubes. The 5x5, I actually really like this. It has pretty good turning, and yeah, I've kind of enjoyed this. So yeah, it's a pretty good 5x5. I'd probably recommend this. And finally, the smart cube. Now this cube is really good. It's got nice turning and it's really light, like for a smart cube, very light. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool and the app seems to be alright. So yeah, I guess I'd recommend this. anyways, I think that's the end of the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.